I'm Jayden Newville and I'm here to show you guys how to do a skeleton Halloween makeup look. I'm starting off with the eyes and I'm using black eyeshadow. Sorry for how long this is taking me, it took me a hot minute. Next we are doing gray face paint and we are going to do the mouth. Then I use a white eyeshadow and go over the gray because we're supposed to be white. Time for the actual mouth. When we are done with that, you want to start outlining the face part with black. Now it's time for the nose. Here's the finished look.
I'm going to be showing you guys how to do this clown makeup. It's pretty easy, so let's just get started. The first thing I'm doing is putting concealer on my eye as a base for the eyeshadow and blending it out. Then I am taking a white eyeshadow and setting that. Now I'm taking a brown eyeshadow and blending it into my crease. Now I'm taking a black eyeshadow and packing it on my eyelid and blending it out. Now I'm taking a silver color and putting it on the inner half of my eyelid and like blending it out into the black. And then I'm just gonna blend like all three of them together. Now I'm doing my eyeliner. I didn't really do like a whole wing. I just did like a wing on like the inner corner. Now I'm gonna start like the actual clown part. You just start by drawing a half circle with gray face paint. I didn't have white, you could use white. And then you pack on a white eyeshadow over it to make it white, but if you have white, it'd be easier. And you do that to both sides. Now I just do like the same thing, but like a line across my face, and I blend it up into like the rest of my face. And again, using that white eyeshadow to make it white. And to kind of blend it out. Now I'm doing the black triangles that are like on the top and bottom. I started off with the top and I used a black face paint and then went in with a black eyeshadow just to make it darker. And then you do a dot above that triangle. Now I'm just going in with an eyeliner and just putting a line all the way across the bottom part of my eye as like a base for the bottom triangle, and then I go in with a black face paint and draw that triangle. And then I go in with a black eyeshadow just to make it darker again. Now I'm taking a liquid eyeliner and drawing the cross kind of star shape that's under the triangles. And I'm taking the same eyeliner and doing a line underneath all of the white. And then I'm taking a black eyeshadow and blending it all out. I use my finger to blend out this part too. Now I'm doing the red dot on my nose. I just used a red face paint and drew a circle. And then I go in with a black face paint and outline it. And then I go in with black eyeshadow to blend it all together. And then I put a little more red on my finger and blended it out a little more. Now for the lips, I'm putting on a red liquid lipstick. And now you draw like a line from like the outer corners of your lips back onto your cheeks. And then I outlined my lips with a black liquid eyeliner. And then you just kind of connect them to make like a mouth shape. And then I went back in with that eyeshadow to make it darker again. And now for the chin, you just draw like a half circle on your chin with gray face paint. And then I go over it with a white eyeshadow to make it white. And then I just draw a line around it with the black eyeliner. And that is it for my look. I finished it off with some eyelashes, but other than that, that's it.